Let's see how to modify a published template using Quick Edit in the Assessment workspace. Select the Workspaces menu and navigate to Assessment workspace. Select a published template for you to open and edit. Published templates are locked by default. Select the Options icon and then Quick Edit to enable inline editing. You can edit the assessment template details like the name, description, and reader role. When you're done, select Save and Publish to apply the changes, then choose Publish to confirm. We follow the same steps on the Questions tab. Opening the Options icon and selecting Quick Edit to make changes. Let's edit a question in our section. Choose a question, select the configuration options, and Quick Edit. Editable fields vary by question type. All changes made through Quick Edit are tracked in the edit history. To view the edit history, select Additional Options and then View Edit History.